Hey there and welcome back. So this one time I was installing Windows 11 off a USB onto a not so old laptop that was lying around. But I didn't want it to log in online or set up an account or anything. Perhaps later, but not while I was trying to install Windows on it. There used to be a workaround before that will let you skip the connect to network step where you have to press Alt and F4 keys simultaneously. But Microsoft decided to shut that door on the faces of users like us. But thankfully, there's another way you can get past this pesky Connect screen, if that's what you're looking for. I mean, sometimes there's no internet, and some of us just wants to install and connect later on. Also, you can't just install Windows 11 right off the bat on VMware. You have to add in a virtual TPM or Trusted Platform module here. Well, now this TPM is a computer chip. It generates encryption keys and enhances computer security. And it ensures you are not loading into an OS that has malicious code, like a rootkit or something. Because Windows 11 uses TPM for BitLocker disk encryption and Windows Hello, so it will only run on PCs that have the TPM capabilities. Many PCs these days have that capability. We'll enable that option in the virtual machine so we can install Windows on it. So first of all, head over to the Microsoft website to download the ISO. The link will be in the description. Go down here to Windows 11 Disk Image ISO download section and select Windows 11 from the drop-down menu. You can either read this or skip past the requirement list. It's your call. Now select your language here. Click Confirm. And now you have a link that's valid for 24 hours. Click 64-bit download to start your download. It's around 5 gigs, so depending on your connection, it can take some time. So go ahead and do something else. Have some time off screen. I'll fast forward this so you don't have to sit here like me staring into the abyss waiting for the download to complete. Okay, the download is complete. Now open up your VMware workstation and click on Create New Machine. Click Installer Disk Image and select the location of your ISO file here. Click Next. It says Windows 10 64 version, but that's alright, doesn't matter, just click on Next. You can choose whatever machine name you prefer. I'm gonna choose Windows 11 here. And the location where you want to store the virtual image files. I'm using the D drive for my virtual machines, so I'm gonna set that up here. Next. 60 gigs of storage is fine. Next. Now here you can customize the hardware as you like. For example, you can ramp up the amount of RAM. I have 16 gigs, so I'll use 4 here. And the other stuff is fine, so I'll just click on close and finish. Alright, now the main part, adding the virtual TPM here. Go to Edit, Virtual Machine Settings, click on Options, Access Control, and click on Encrypt. Now set up a password for this machine. I'm gonna use my unforgettable password of password here. And click on Encrypt. Now the next part. Go back into the Hardware tab and click Add. Click on Trusted Platform module and click on Finish. And OK. Now power up this virtual machine and get ready to press any key. Click I don't have a product key. we will go with Windows Home. Click Accept, Custom, and everything looks good, so click on Next. Okay, here we are. Select your region preferences. Alright, so here we are at this annoying screen. Here, hold down Shift and press the F10 key. This will open up a command prompt. Now open a task manager here by typing in task mgr, hit enter. Expand this up. Now go to process which says network connection flow. And right click, End Task. Close this up. And here we are past that annoying network screen. You can name whatever you like here. I'm gonna go with Zero Cool. Password, again my trusty password of password. Security questions, you can set what you like. What's the name of the city you were born? Gotham City. Cause I'm Batman. You can be anything if you believe in yourself. Except Batman. Question number 2. Again, Gotham City. Childhood nickname? Man-Bat. Turn this all off. You can leave them on, but I prefer to turn them off. Okay, so this will take some time again. I'll forward this up a bit and see you again in a while. And here we are. Now we can go ahead and play around with it. Let's install VMware Tools to get this thing full screen. Select Complete and Install. Alright, we are full screen here. Nah, I'll restart later. Alright. So to wrap it up, we were able to successfully install this on a VM by adding up a virtual TPM, and we got past the network setup screen using the command prompt and task manager. So yeah, it's done. Well, I hope you guys find this video useful. If you did, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video soon. Until then, adios.